Check this look. I'm from Jamaica. We ain't got no fucking Bugattis in Jamaica. We are some fuck pussy girls. So you ain't the right girl.
Jamaica, where we came from. But we love you from every nation.
You know you want some pussy girl, man. Give me pussy girl here right now. We're not watching on this family right now.
Hey, we're fine there. Nigga, 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 we're fine there. Nigga,
Fuck is the poison now.
shut up, put them in. Okay? Bad bitches with a cat. Marina.
Get Jamaica, baby. Give me a dollar on the shoulder.
Baby, you will they see.
Shoot it, you put your hands in the air.
You will touch me. Hey, we're fine there. Nigga, we're fine there.
Haitian suppressor. Still face by your birthday. I already know where this carry kind of shit come because of you. Yeah. I do this shit one night only, nigga. One night only. I'm just trying to get my ladies in the mood for one reason. Because later on I feel like sexy. I want some intercourse later on. If you want to, I want to, alright? I want to if you want to. Shit. Got all independent ladies, sing that song for me, please.
Yeah, from your conscience clear. See that one you look make me hear.
Ladies, wait. God damn it, wait. Ladies, if your vagina don't have an offensive odor, make some noise for me, please.